You're searching for editing pack. And now you're searching for this. When you search for editing pack, YouTube will give you high quality and best videos. But when you search for human PNG pack, YouTube doesn't provide you the videos you want. From an editing pack, you can get motion background, sound effects, logo, and etc. But there's always one thing is missing. That is human pack. They are very essential for your YouTube videos. And today, I am going to provide you the pack. You will get the pack link in the description. But wait, let's see what you will get in the pack. Because I need watch time. You can get angry, confused, excited, happy, and many more. But after watching the full video, a question may arise in your mind. That is it free? Thus, the straightforward response is no. Wait, I mean you just have to subscribe. And you will get the Drive link in the description. So, enjoy.